So this video is going to guide you on how to choose a surveying location within your survey square and how to get permission for it. So at this point you will have reserved your survey square, but you'll not yet have reserved your detector. So to find your location, it's really useful to use the square sign-up map. This can kind of make sure that your location is actually within your square's boundaries. You may also want to choose a location which isn't right next to the boundary's edge, just in case your survey ends up crossing onto an adjacent square. So once you're on the sign-up map, you can zoom into your reserved square. So mine is 5200. So once you've zoomed in, you can start looking for suitable surveying locations. You don't need to find an exact location, but it's good to have an idea of the area that you want to survey in so you can contact the landowners for permission. So when you're looking for an area to survey, you want to be looking for somewhere which bats are likely to use. So this might be a water feature, so look out for ponds or rivers, or a straight habitat feature, such as hedgerows or woodland edge. If you're struggling to see the details on the map, you can always switch to the satellite map, which can kind of help you give a better view. So you can see at the top of my square, there's a straight woodland edge. So if I was going to survey the square, I'd probably choose this location. So then the next thing I would need to do is find out what this area is, who owns it, and contact them for permission. So if you go back onto the road map view, sometimes it will tell you what the area is. So in this example, the map tells me that it's Ashton Hill Plantation. So I then need to Google the area and find their contact details on their website. So for example, this is their website, and then these are their contact details. If you've chosen an area that doesn't have an obvious name or landowner, you might need to do some digging online, or you can use the first page of our landowner permission form, which is available on our resources page, which has some suggestions for you. Once you've got your site's contact details, you'll need to get permission from them to survey. We've written up a standard letter for landowners, which is also available on our resources page. So if you could please email this to them, as well as our permission form, and get them to fill out the permission form. So once the permission form has been completed and you've got access to the land, please can you send us a copy or image of the form.